Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to remove fog in Minecraft. First of all, make sure to go ahead and open your browser. From there, search for OptiFine and then click on the first link. Here I'm going to download an OptiFine version, so the version of Minecraft that I want it to be. For example, I want the latest version, so I'm going to go ahead and download it for this version. So let's go ahead and download it, and here I'm going to wait for 5 seconds until they'll give me the download file. So wait 3, 2, and 1, and here click on skip, and as you can see they will take me here so I can download my file. Now after you download the file, you will have it something like this. What you will need to do is to open it. Now some people will not have this kind of file. To fix it, simply go ahead to your browser and go ahead and download Java or from Oracle. So here you simply have to click on this website, click on download Java for desktop, and then you will be taken to this page, download Java for desktop, and simply click on the file again, install the file, and simply click on open it into Java platform is binary. Now for me it's all good, so I'm gonna click on install. And as you can see, it should be working without any problems. OptiFine is successfully installed. Now what we can do is to simply run Minecraft on the OptiFine version. And from here, guys, all you need to do is to open your single player word and simply run off one of the word or create a new one. Now I'm gonna just create a new one so it can fit this version without any problems. And right after it's loaded and it's created, you're simply gonna be into here. Go ahead into the top of a tree or something like that and check if you have any fog. In case you still had it, then simply go ahead and click into your settings, click on options, video settings, and here you will find that OptiFine is installed. So you can go here to the quality, you can go to quality here, and you might find some stuff that you can change. And normally you can find here other, you'll find here a lot of stuff that you can actually change and remove, but in our case we would like to remove the fog, so simply go ahead and click on details. Then here you'll find detail settings. On the left you will find fog. You can turn it off by simply clicking on off, as you can see, and this will remove the fog from Minecraft world. It is very simple as that. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.